Hey, happy fall, y'all, and welcome to the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route.
Stick around for today's video, which is coming up next.
Hey everybody, this is Brian with the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route, wishing you a happy Columbus Day. This is a live stream announcement. About an hour and a half from now, I'm going to go live. About an hour from now, I'll put up the chat. I want to give you 5 good reasons right now to come sit in with us and hang out today. Going to be doing 5 important things. Number 1, and most importantly, all right, I'm going to be tearing out this helix out of my layout because the modular open helix is almost ready, y'all. And I figured, why not go live? I'm tearing something out of the layout. I'm real good at tearing stuff up, so might as well go live. I'll give y'all a good show on that. Number 2, going to be dropping this decline down 3 inches, okay? I've got to do that so it'll marry with the turnout coming off the modular open helix on the 3rd level of it. All right, so I got to drop this down 3 inches and reset supports. Going to be working on that live as well. Also, have careful measurements to make because I've got a bunch of beams down here. I got a lot of scenery to remove. Okay, so I've got to take and make sure that there is a flat bed for all those beams to rest on so my modular open helix remains perfectly level or close to so as it is right now. And number 4, we're going to be grilling today. Yes, sir. It's Columbus Day, off work. We're going to grill. Got a rack of ribs and some chicken. Maybe you can get some meat and get your grill fired up and join me as well. Number 5, and most importantly, we all going to be hanging out chatting, and that's one of the best things about the live stream. Probably won't even be paying attention to what I'm doing, but I'm going to try to keep my phone handy so I can watch the chat while I'm working. I'm going to keep the camera on this angle right here so you can get a good visual on what I do have going on. So if you're not subscribed already, I want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you can be alerted when I do go live today, and I look forward to seeing everybody that can make it then. Again, y'all, about an hour and a half from now, I'm going to go live. Look for the chat in about an hour. Look forward to seeing some of y'all then. Take care. One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.